It is day 0 of Hot Rod Power Tour. We are about to make the trip from the Atlanta, Georgia area to Bowling Green, Kentucky. So we are doing our final pack in here. We picked up a cooler, already got some drinks in there. We got to pick up some more and some ice. Got a spare wheel and tire that actually came with the truck, so we're going to include it. The tire is junk, but in an emergency it's going to work. Got some tools, some basic stuff. Fluids mostly in here, and then my battery jumper. Luggage, we have the 3-ton jack. My low profile jack can't actually lift the truck up, so if you're going to bring a lightweight jack, make sure it actually works for your vehicle. Got some air fresheners, cup holders as you saw. We are about ready to hit the road. With our stops, it's going to be almost 5 hours, so this small block 350 has some work to do, but shouldn't be too bad. Picked up some ice. We're on the way to Buc-ee's, about 2 hours away. Well, we didn't make it to Buc-ee's, it just stalled. We got on the highway for like not even a minute and then got off onto a side road again, and it stalled once we got to the light and it's not restarting. It smells like gas, so I wonder if we just lost spark or something. Just cranked it out with the spark plug out, and we do in fact have spark, well, at least to that cylinder, but I'm gonna assume we have spark everywhere else. So it's not a spark issue. We have fuel when I pump the accelerator pump. Interesting. Let's just keep messing with it. Well, it's running. So all I did was just hold the throttle down and cranked it quite a bit. When I pulled the plug out, it was wet. So we drowned it in fuel when we got on the highway for a little bit. Now my first guess is, since it's the first time running it with AC, maybe the AC load was just too much of a load on the highway. I don't know. We'll have to play with it. We'll see if it has any power though. It was dripping gas out of the carburetor, which was a big kind of clue that it was fuel related. You could smell it. So it wasn't vapor lock. It still had fuel in the carb. It just had way too much. So maybe we got some dirt in the carb, or I don't know. Maybe the carb needs some tweaking. But either way, done what I can. We got it running. Let's get back on the road, see if we make any more progress. We just jumped on the highway. We got less than 10 minutes, then we'll be at Buc-ee's, our first stop in Calhoun, Georgia. So far, doing good. We've been running windows down, no AC, and it cleared up almost immediately, and it's been doing good. But we'll see. Once we get to Buc-ee's, we'll do another once-over. Just finished some sandwiches, banana pudding. About to head back on the road. We are going to do a change of plans. We're running kind of late. So instead, we're just going to go straight to our hotel in Mount Juliet, Tennessee. Stop for gas. We were just below a quart tank. Checked the oil, and we burned about a quart, maybe half a quart. I filled it up about a half a quart to a quart over, and so right now we're at the max line, so that's fine. That's really not that concerning at all. You see the AC is doing its thing, and it's not frozen, which is good. It's dripping a lot of condensation, some water, but that's totally normal. Yeah, we're doing good. And we have made it to Mount Juliet, Tennessee. So we drove through Murfreesboro, right by Lebanon, and here we are. About 5 hours, a couple stops. We did have one breakdown, and it didn't act up since. So we're just gonna chalk that up to just old car things. It's been running just fine. We've been comfortable with the AC and haven't had any worries running the AC while driving at all. So we're gonna end it here for tonight. I'll see you in the morning. It is day 0.5. It is the Sunday before Hot Rod Power Tour. We are about to head over to the National Corvette Museum and check it out, and hopefully get there before everyone else gets there. It's about 9 a.m. right now, and rain is on the way. We're probably going to hit rain once we get into Bowling Green. We got about a little over an hour to go, letting the truck warm up, but we'll see you at the Corvette Museum. Just over there is the Corvette Museum. Lots of cool cars already. They have Corvette parking out front. It's pretty neat. So we'll go inside. We'll see how it is. Today's actually the check-in registration day for the long haulers. We unfortunately are not doing long haul. That was just a little too much miles for me, because it ends up in Indianapolis, and that's well over an 8-hour drive. So the people doing the long haul, you guys are crazy. Maybe next year I can try that though. Let's go inside. Cold in, but something. Well, we just finished here at the Vet City Antique Mall. Checked it out. Finished up the Corvette Museum. It was pouring, so came in here, waited out the rain. It's starting to go away. We'll go into downtown Bowling Green, have some lunch. Well, we're back in Mount Juliet. We're actually about to head out into downtown Nashville area, spend the night there, get some dinner. But that's gonna be it for our weekend before Hot Rod Power Tour. We'll see you in the next video, day 1 of Hot Rod Power Tour.